In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message on Pinterest. Whether you're a seasoned Pinterest user or just getting started, this guide will help you communicate better with your friends and fellow pinners right from this platform. It's a quick and simple process, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to send messages with ease. First things first, let's open up Pinterest. If you're already familiar with Pinterest, you know it as a treasure trove of inspiration, from cooking ideas to home decor and everything in between. But today, we're focusing on how you can use this platform to connect with others. So type Pinterest into your search bar or simply open your Pinterest app on your device. If you're not logged in automatically, take a moment to enter your credentials. Once you're in, draw your attention to the bottom right where you'll find the messages icon. This is your gateway to chatting. Click on messages and you'll be taken to a new screen. Here's where you connect with fellow pinners, whether they are friends or someone whose pins you admire. The familiar layout might take you aback. Pinterest is indeed branching into messaging, which can enhance your experience by helping you share ideas directly. Now that you're in the messages section, you'll notice an option that says New Message. Go ahead and click on it. This step initiates the process of sending a new message. If it's your first time here, you're about to see how straightforward it can be. Your Pinterest experience is about to get a little more social. Now that you've clicked New Message, a list of people you can message might appear depending on your usage and contacts. This list might showcase your Pinterest friends or followers, basically anyone you've interacted with on the platform. If the person you want to message is right there, give their name a click. If not, you can use the search bar to type in their name or username. Once their profile pops up, click on it to start your messaging journey. You've now selected someone to message, and a fresh chat screen will open up, much like what you're used to seeing in traditional messenger apps. Here, you can type out your message, share a pin, discuss an idea, or simply say hello. It's up to you. Remember, the whole point of Pinterest messages is to make sharing inspiration easier and more personal. After composing your message, just hit send, and you're all set. You've just successfully sent a message via Pinterest. Congratulations, you're now equipped to use Pinterest not only as a creative resource, but also as a means to connect and engage directly with others who share your interests. Enjoy exploring this new facet of Pinterest, and happy messaging.